Well, good evening. You can see the little goats are all busy eating. Mr. Frost had to come over and be my friend. He was very happy. Mr. Snow is trying to pull the hay out of the feeder, as you do when you have horns and you think you can use the hay to scratch your horns. These girls are eating peppermint treats. Got a bunch of those left over. And they decide they like them, but I think they're a little too pepperminty for them. Next time we'll get the apple or the oats and honey. How's that, girls? Then you saw Mr. Raj had to come over. He'd be a little friend. He just wants loving. And he's a pretty good little boy that way. Right, Susie? Right. Oh, poor Susie girl. God, scratch Susie. She's a sweet little girl. Put up with these craziness from these other girls. So Sam has made quite a bit of progress. He's got a lot of the, almost this whole room is pretty much done. Got a little bit to put around the bottom. And we're going to do, he'll get started on some cleanup. Get the panels all cleaned up. So that at least they're not dusty. I know it looks like mud or something on it. It's really just dust. Yeah, he started doing this room. Put in the ceiling. So I think he's got everything pretty much ready to go in here. Got a couple doors to hang. A roll-up door to go in here. Have a plenty large area to bring my bulk tank and my milking machine out if I have to for cleaning or just rearranging. Maybe it works better to make that a different kind of room, but this gives me lots of flexibility. But I think it looks pretty good. And then we'll start doing some plumbing. Running some pipes and roughing all of the pipes and the water heater and stuff in and getting it set up for the animals and for us. I think the little goats will like having fresh water in their pens. Yeah. As long as the weather's kind of crappy out, then that's what we're going to keep working on. And it was raining and snowing kind of all day long. Not a pleasant day to be outside. I was kind of surprised that the little ghosts came out to see me when I was doing chores. It does not seem like they would be wanting to do that, but they were. Well, everybody's screaming at me. I said, you're just going to get wet. You're not going to be happy little ghosts if you're all wet. But they don't seem to care. But anyway, well, thank you for watching. Thanks for all the subscriptions and the shares. And if you've watched it this far, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You know, I talk about my goats every day. And sometimes more than once a day I post videos. Once I get my internet figured out here, get the connection stronger, and I might end up running a Ethernet down from the house or from another location to get a stronger signal. But however I do that, we'll start doing live streams and maybe some live webcams, because we have little goats that just like to be on camera. Like this little man. This little man likes to be on camera. Don't you, Rush? Oh, Miss Jitterbug would like to be on camera more too. Oh, you're a good little man. You are such a pretty boy. He says, Mom, what are you doing? Rita doesn't care. She is busy eating away. And I guess I need to do that too. So I'm going to wish everybody a good evening and a good day. And again, hit that subscribe button and click the little bell for notifications. And I will talk with you later.